the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zunaira Ansari from class 3. I read in Muslim High School system situated in Amiruddin Park, Lahore, Kent. Is there anything more important than one's life? Someone asked question to brave soldier. Yes, the cause for which I happily sacrificed my life. Brave soldier replied, Nishan-e-Haider is the highest military award in Pakistan. That gallantry award can only be awarded to the brave men of armed force for their extraordinary bravery. Nishan-e-Haider is Urdu language word which literally means mark of lion. Haider is the name of legendary Muslim caliph Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Anhu, who is known for his bravery. Nishan-e-Haider was created on 16 March 1957, but it was applied from the date of Pakistan independence. It is only awarded to those men who sacrificed their life while performing their duties with extraordinary bravery. Nishan-e-Haider is only awarded to the 11 personnel so far in the history of Pakistan. Thank you.